Hey guys, it's Ivan at GUNTRY, and today we're going to be doing a fun video. We're going to be testing our GUNTRY employees about their firearm knowledge. For the sake of the video, all firearms have been deemed safe and clear, and we're about to get started. All right, so it looks like that first round was pretty easy for our guys, so we're going to take it up a notch, okay? Get to the order. Bodyguard 2.0.
Right at 92 FS.
Those is guns.
Hey, I'm Hope, new trainee here at GUNTRY. Five seven.
Yeah.
How'd you get that?
He told me.
Stoger STR non-MC. I heard it. Like, I can hear it. I know that was a Stoger.
Oh, this is easy. Desert Eagle.
What caliber?
429 DE.
Yeah, you're right.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Okay.